If you want to change the control center on your Redmi 15C, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. Now to do that, just open the Google Play Store on your smartphone. Then in the search bar, just search this and install this app on your smartphone. Then tap on open, and from here just select your language, or you can select auto. After you select your language, then tap on OK, then tap on OK. Now just enable this toggle. After that, just go back, and from here just tap on control center, then enable this toggle. Now after you enable this toggle, just go back and tap on allow. And once you do that, you will enable the control center on your Redmi 15C. Now just tap on control center one more time and enable this toggle. Now just select I am aware of the possible risks. Now just wait for a few seconds, then tap on OK. Now just go to your home screen, and from here you will be able to open the new control center on your smartphone. Just like that. Now just select while using the app. And this is how you can change the control center on the Redmi 15C. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.